What's up, traders? Welcome to another live trading session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach, who will be doing live trading, live session in front of you. We will be trading, you will be trading together. Today is Friday, last day of the week, last week of the month. There will be weekly close, monthly close. All the pairs started to reverse. There will be incredible trading opportunity. There is a high impact news release today. Just after 1 hour later, we will be trade this news candle. There is a huge probability. Make sure you stick till around this video and don't miss any part. At the same time, smash the like button and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. So on the right side, there is a chat area. You can write down, you can request whatever you want. Now today, let's begin with what is on the chat section. Sherry, good day everyone. Sherry, thank you. Take time to appreciate the Forex Wizard. He's a good man, truly a Forex Wizard. I have learned a lot from you. Thank you, Sherry. And this is my goal, is to, because I create from my heart. So when you create from heart, it will last long forever. Thank you for your compliment. Waiting boss Abdurrahman said, Ramzan Alam, Assalamu alaikum sir. Okay, nice prediction. Thank you, Ramzan. Great. Varun, rich morning sir. Thank you, Varun. Pradeep, yes sir. Yeah. Jamal, assalamu alaikum. Okay, Jamal, thank you for joining this live trading session. Pawin, hello wizard. Thank you, Pawin. Samuel, hi, good afternoon sir. Slim 3, good morning. How are you all? Thank you, Slim. Q, hello. Tuned AUD USD. Yep, we'll go through all of them. Dudas, how are you today, everyone? Thank you. Avinash, good evening from India. Good evening, Avinash. Shahid. So many of you, Buma, Jabir, thank you for all of you. Really good to feeling good about all of you that joining this live trading session. And I'm sure that today we'll have some good trade, because to be honest, Friday last session is my favorite. That's where I make most amount of money. So let's begin a little bit recap from yesterday, so you can connect the dot. This is the CAD CHF exploding to the upside as discussed. So just before I begin, let me just 15 seconds. Let me bring a moment from yesterday so that you can connect the dot. Give me a moment. So this is CAD CHF yesterday. It's discussed on yesterday live trading session. I strongly believe that CAD CHF will rise up, because if you see that this is the daily chart and the price is, this is the daily, there is a gap opening here and our stop loss below the daily low. And I think that I strongly believe that CAD CHF will rise up, because if you see that this is the daily chart and the price is, this is the daily, there is a gap opening here and our stop loss below the daily low. So the intention of opening this, bringing this moment from yesterday is to just to show you that actually you don't need much things to learn trading. You see, we took our profit today. We hit our profit target, but if we hold, see, this is just today, a couple of hours earlier, the profit target hit. But let me bring this. Yesterday I posted this analysis. This is a perfect example to learn trading. You don't need indicators, a lot of indicators. You don't need any news. You don't need any fundamental. Trust me, this is trading. You need pure price action, because price action is basically a footprint of the buyers and sellers living in the market. Now let me tell why I was so confident about CAD CHF. Why did I posted this analysis? And there is another one opportunity now arising on CAD CHF. Again, CAD CHF will have another trade today with this candle. I will tell you why. So first, remove this. This is our profit target today. Okay, what did I looked at this trade that gave me so confident that this is going to explode? And I posted this video. See, this is what you need to look at when you are trading. First of all, see, even this is 4-hour time frame. Even if you don't go to the higher time frame, what do you see? Clearly visible uptrending market, no question about it, right? So let's bring the candle that we came yesterday. Okay, That's where we started yesterday or finished yesterday. So I think this is the candle that we yesterday was forming when I was live streaming. The red candle was here. Okay. So now, how did I know that? Or no means like I also get wrong. I'm not saying that I'm 100% right, but how did I predict it with such a I was confident about it? The reason is firstly trend, and that's what you need to look at. First trend. Secondly, now when you found the trend, the next thing you need to look at the confluence and price action. So look at the price action. First of all, see, this is a strongly bullish engulfer in this very, very important level of support. You see, this is a very strong level of support. This one, right? This bullish engulfer. Now the price went above, came back to the same level of support. You see, there is a strong rejection from here, from the same level. So support here with this bullish engulfer, support here, the price came to the same level of support. When the price came back here, what happened? See, broke all this level of support and then close above. So that is very, very important. When you see an element of false breakout, that is when you can expect a bigger trade. So always wait for an elements of false breakout. That is happen over and over in the market. So after that, with this false breakout, it basically created a double bottom. Okay, it's a reversal pattern on this important level of support. Now with this green candle, and then what happened when this candle was forming? When I was deciding to take a long trade, to send a trade to our VIP members, what did I think in my mind? All of this I thought. And then individually I looked each of the candlestick. You see, each of the candles. See, this one is a strong bullish engulfer. Cross the low, cross the high, perfect bullish engulfer. Look at this one, perfect bullish engulfer. Cross the low, cross the high. And then this one also perfect bullish engulfer. How many bullish engulfer? The global trend is up, local trend is up, double bottom, false breakout, couple of bullish engulfers. Smash the like button, go long, buy. Okay, like this, buy in level of support, keep a stop loss somewhere here, hold the trade for 5 times profit. That is trading. Okay, you will never lose money. Smash the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So let's begin with you now what you want me to cover, and I will do all of them. But keep in mind, today there is a high impact news release, and I'm sure that we will find a good trading opportunity because most of the pair started to reverse. That is what happened when the month end, week end pair reverse. See, time correlation is very, very important, not only price action. See, instead of fundamental, I look at time. Trust me, this is the main thing, because news, fundamental. I saw some guru on YouTube when you said, okay, study microeconomics, study macroeconomics. Is it possible for you to know that how interest rate impact a pair? No, because we are trading sometime for 15 minutes, sometime for half an hour. Interest rate could impact a long-term trend, maybe yearly trend. Okay, in this yearly trend, you have millions of wave inside. Okay, downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. So it can't give you an idea of how the price. It's could be for investors. Even that's not correct. So as a trader, what I pay attention is price action and time. Time means like today is what day, what is likely to happen. It's also experience. It's very important. This is what you need. I promise, if you pay attention to price action, pay attention to timing, you will never lose money, and there's a huge profit in it. You see, let's say you see that all week a pair was pushing up. Friday, maybe Friday in Asian session, you found a strong bearish engulfer. Okay, chances that it will drop. Okay, sell. Like this, time dependent. Let's say Monday, you saw that weekly close, monthly close, there was a huge move to the upside. Monday morning in the new month, there has been a wickless candle formed. Chances that the price will reverse, sell it, like this. So price action, time correlation. Let's say especially Friday afternoon and Monday morning is my favorite time to trade. Okay, so because that time is most of the pairs reverse, and most people, most big companies, big hedge funds, banks, they open their position. So now after that, cat CHF created the, now cat CHF, if this candle closes like that, okay, this candle closes like that, I will open another position on cat CHF. Why? Let me explain why. Now this is today's, so far we discussed about yesterday. It's a nice level of support. Look at this one here. The current candle is still not closed. Maybe I will extend today's live session a little bit. Maybe we'll see this candle is closing. So if I see that, look at this one here, you see, let me show you why I think that if this one is closed as a bullish engulfer, the price will likely to go up. Though this is weekend, the month will be end, so we need to think about it, but it's a bullish engulfer. You see, this is a important level of resistance, support. Now look at this here. With this doji, it has given a strong level of support. Now what I pay attention, see what I see. You see this green candle, there is a false breakout. You see it just crossed this red below. This little extension is a huge advantage for going up. And look at the candle, it's a strong bullish engulfer, so it's not closed as I'm telling you. So it's a high probability that cat CHF will respect this level of support. Maybe will come down as a doji, from here will rise up. So let's see. I will see over the progress of this session, and then we will discuss more about it, how we will be trading. So let's see what you guys and girls are thinking. Chadrick says good afternoon from South Africa. Chadrick, thank you. Pound says request Euro USD, sir. Yep, pound will do it. Rabi, good. Hello. Alexandra, hello. Ahmed Ubaid, hi, how are you? I'm good, Ahmed. Zamal, sir, which trade we should take to earn some? Yep, we'll discuss. We are already running Euro AUD in profit. Okay, we already closed today NZD CHF profit. We closed CAT CHF in full profit. Euro AUD, look at this one here. Okay, yesterday, see this one also you need to understand why. See, to be honest, I'm not showing up that how much money we are making. I don't want you to experience FOMO. The reason I always show the winning trade is because when it is a winning trade, it's something that really works, right? So what is working for me will work for you. So either way, it's good for you. Now Euro AUD, when did I send this signal? Yesterday, just after New York session. This candle after this pin bar, you see this is a nice pin bar. Now why I took this pin bar, you see we are almost more than 1-to-1 profit, and we are almost 2 times hitting profit target. Now let me explain this trade, why I send it to BIP members and why I traded this one. First of all, look at the monthly, and then we will discuss euro dollar and everything. Okay, see this is the monthly time frame. Euro AUD, I was always telling this, that Euro AUD is a strongly monthly bearish. You see there is a strong bearish engulfer followed by another bearish. Now this one the buyers tried to push the price high, they failed to do so. We see a strong move. Now when you trade, see, quickly look at the weekly, quickly look at the monthly, and then try to trade with the higher time frame. Okay, try to trade with the trend. That is the key, and hold the trade for a long time. I guarantee you will never lose money. Lose money means not on a single trade. Over the long term, if you keep this repeating, you will be always winner. See Euro AUD. This is the weekly. This is what all the time I was shouting. Look at all my analysis. Always I said the Euro AUD is dropping and dropping. Okay. Now daily, you see after the doji, there was a gap opening, and I know that it's gonna go down, and that's why I send this trade signal. Now see, this pin bar broke all this level, in this downtrend, nicely created a pin bar. It's a high probability short setup. Okay, and as soon as this candle closed from here, I have sold, and our profit target is 1 to 2, but I might tell my VIP members to extend, but we might close the trade because my VIP members like to take some profit. So let them, because every day almost I send trade signal. If you want to join, just below this video there is a link going on. There is a discount also going on, link below this video. You can join at any point, no problem at all. You can learn my strategy, at the same time you can earn. It's an affordable, easy to join. So let's find out now what my subscriber, all of you, are saying about it. So Alan James, hello sir Alan, thank you for so discover your true self. RV said discover your true self. The true world becomes stronger however long it may take. I'll wait for you at the top. Very good sentence, ARV. Very good, thank you. We need this kind of things, you know. McLura, hi wizard, thank you for profitable trading. Thank you McLura, awesome. Charles, Gbpusd, CAD is getting stronger. So let's see. Kuish pair gold. So gold we have analyzed today. We'll do again. Mary said good evening sir. USD CHF, USD CAD please. Yeah, so USD is really now getting hot because there will be a news release. We'll go through all of them. Euro CAD, Euro CHF running profit. Very good Alexandria. We are also running profit on Euro AUD. Let's see further. So I have quite a few requests. So let's start with gold again. Okay, no gold. Now gold at today I have posted analysis, you have seen. Now always keep in mind that gold and US dollar is, you know, related. When US dollar get weaker, gold get stronger most cases. So looks like USD is getting weaker now and gold is getting stronger. Now this is 4-hour time frame. I have already posted analysis on YouTube. Most of you have seen probably. Now gold has created in this 4-hour time frame, we saw an inverted head and shoulder. This is not enough, but we have other confluences. Only a head and shoulder is not a means of trading, but we have other confluences. And today you see gold started to push up from this, and this is what always I was, you know, mentioning in for a very long period of time, that gold has an imbalance here, and that is what gold did. You see gold came to test this this resistance, tested as support, penetrated, now it is pushing up. Okay, so this is the this is normal phenomenon in market. It's always will test. Now I will not buy now, okay, because it's still downtrend. So when I will be buying, this is 4-hour, I need a confirmation of this trend. At any point it could drop again. Okay, so what I need is gold to come down, okay, create a retracement, slow retracement, okay, or maybe a long candle with a long wick retracement, or maybe, you know, cross this 20 and 10 period moving average and the price come to test this one, you know, test. Maybe probably the best way to trade will be is if the gold, you see this is the head and shoulder, right? What did I say? When you see a head and shoulder like that, you need to wait for a retest of this previous inverted head and shoulder, previous resistance as a support to confirm its uptrend. So with that being said, you see the gold has created an inverted head and shoulder, and this is the let me show you, this is the level of resistance for this inverted head and shoulder. Okay, there is a level of resistance. I want it to come at least certain point to test this one as support, maybe today or in the new trading week, and then I'll consider buying gold, or it even may could come down here, create something like that, and we'll go. So now it is directly pushing up, and I'm not gonna go directly up because I need a retracement. At any point you might be hitting stop loss. So that's the thing, but it's strongly bullish so far. You see there are some clues you need to pay attention. See, there is a gap opening. You see there is a gap opening after the reversal pattern. There is a gap opening. These are the clues always you look for when you are trading the market. So in this live stream, if I see any gold trade signal, I'll share with you. I'll share with my VIP members, and also I'll share with you if it is in the live stream. If it is not in the live stream, I might need to send only to the VIP members because I'm not on a live stream. So how can I give it to you? So now let's see what happened. Alan James, sir, Euro GBP, please. Yeah, Euro GBP looks like bearish. Let me see. Okay, Euro GBP, it's a long-term bearish market, but it is now consolidating. Okay, so Euro GBP, let me show the weekly time frame. Okay, so what I will do, this is what always Euro GBP does. The Euro GBP over the long term, it's in a downtrend. Okay, so you see this is the daily time frame. Now this is still, I'm not trading. What I want, this is the 4-hour time frame. I will be trading only if Euro GBP managed to break this level of support. Maybe in the new trading week it will break here, or it will still consolidate. So Euro GBP currently, because both are getting stronger, so I'm not gonna trade Euro GBP. Rather, I found a good trade on Euro AUD. It's better because AUD is getting very, very stronger, and Euro is weaker than AUD. So better to stick something that is, will give you more opportunity. So let's see Euro dollar. I had a request on, okay, Euro dollar. Now you see that the price is now retracing to the downside. There has been a strong move. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind, that a trend is not over in one day. Okay, you see this is the monthly time frame. Euro dollar came a lot. Okay, so tomorrow, that means today, at the end of the day, this monthly candle is closing. There will be new trading week. So if in case today another drop on Euro dollar, let's say daily, okay, if in case, you see, if in case, let me tell you, if in case Euro dollar closes, let me tell you in what condition I will open a buy position on Euro dollar. See, today's candle went well above, right? High daily candle. Now, one possibility on Euro dollar is this candle to be closed as somewhere here. Okay, as a, let's say, as a what is called a shooting star. Okay, so if Euro dollar closes this candle as a shooting star, then Monday in the first session I will buy Euro dollar. Okay, if this one closes like this as a shooting star, because that is the only situation I will be buying. Otherwise I will be waiting, because it's a long-term trend. It's not possible to end the trend just in one candle or one day. Okay, it needs a double bottom, a pattern, a structure, then I will be considered buying. Okay, so it might create something like that if it wants to reverse, or even it could slide further down. Okay, so this is the situation with Euro dollar. At this point there is a wickless candle here. Okay, we might even see coming here and then pushing up again. So to buy Euro dollar, I need to wait for the monthly close, weekly close, then I will be considered buying. Even Euro dollar could do today like this. Let me tell you, this 4-hour candle may come here exactly to this zone. Okay, and then the buyers will buy again. Okay, maybe closing somewhere here, couple of candles going up today, 2-3 candles, and the new trading week we might see a daily close as a bullish like this, a strong green candle, something like this. Okay, in this candle, if this candle like that, also I will be considering buying Euro dollar. Okay, so in either situation, if this daily candle, if this current daily candle cannot break the previous day's low, the next week I will be buying Euro dollar, not now. Okay, because it's now still bearish and even selling not possible. Euro dollar dropped a lot, so we need to see what's happening. Okay, so this is the situation with Euro dollar. Okay, Euro dollar, Gbpusd, all same kind of situation, all of them. Okay, if we see a bullish engulfer today's candle, the next week there will be good trade on Euro dollar. Okay, so let's see what else on the section. I have some request. Alan James, Euro GBP said. Lizard King said hello, always great to learn from you. Thank you, Lizard King. Entertainment TV, good morning. Can you take a look at NZD-CHF? NZD-CHF looks like pushing high. Let's say we'll look at that. Sir, please, Gbpusd, please. Okay, Gbpusd. There's a lot of please. So let's say Gbpusd. Okay, GBPUSD. As I told you, euro dollar and GBPUSD is similar kind of pattern. Today I have posted analysis. So what I will be doing in GBPUSD basically is I'll be waiting for it to create a head and shoulder probably. Okay, as I told you, this head and shoulder could be today or could be next week. So what it might do, if it wants to reverse, it might create a head and shoulder here, somewhere here, and will close this monthly weekly candle. Next week, you know, in the first session, it might create a long candle like that, and then will close like a big green candle like this. Okay, if this is the case, on Monday morning, then I'm gonna buy from here, stop loss here, entry here, wherever, and I'll target maybe up to here. Okay, so that's how you have to be patient in trading. So see, let me draw this pattern, what it might, in what situation I might buy. So today so far it might do something like that if it wants to reverse. And then Monday, what it might do during this Asian session, when there is a high spread, it might create something like that. Okay, something like that, a long wick at the bottom like this. Okay, something like that. All right, if this is the situation, that's a bullish pattern on GBPUSD. Okay, only in the situation I'm gonna buy GB. In that case, what I'll do, as soon as this will happen, I'll place my pending order somewhere here, or even market order. I'll put my stop loss below this low, and I'll target here. Okay, like this 1 to, let's say 2.5 or 3, and then I'll hold the trade until hit the profit target. So that's what it is. Otherwise, let's say what happened today, later today, suddenly after the news release, we got something like this. Let's say a red candle, big red candle broke down. Okay, then I will be staying in the sideline. Okay, but looks like that it will reverse because the month ended, there will be deep retracement. Okay, looks like euro dollar GBPUSD will reverse for certain period of time. Okay, same like as GBPJPY. You see GBPJPY. Okay, GBPJPY also creating a nice pattern. Okay, there looks like it is creating a double doji. Look, if this current 4-hour candle, this one on GBPJPY, if this one exactly close here, I will definitely buy GBPJPY. Okay, see, if this one closes, though there is still 1 hour 3 minutes to go, that there are many things can happen. It may go up, close as a green, or it may come down. But in two cases, I will be buying GBPJPY. I told you before also, is one case if it closes like this, another case if it come down, create a false breakout with this no wick candles. So there are two no wicks candle here. I think they will do it. It will do it today or in the next week. There are no 2 weeks candle, right? So if GBPJPY, okay, GBPJPY in case come here, create a false breakout with this no wick candle and close above, then I will buy, keeping my stop loss below this false breakout, and I will target a long profit here, around here. So that's how you need to think as a trader. Okay, so let's find out what's on the chat. Chadrick says, since I subscribe, I have big chance to see the market. Subscribe, I have seen a big chance change on how to see. Yep, Chadrick, very good, thank you. That's what the goal of this Forex Trading Wizard Academy, to help hundreds of thousands of traders to become profitable. This is my goal, and I'm sure that I achieved many goals in my life. I'll be able to achieve that goal as well, because I have some great people supporting this channel. You guys are awesome, great traders, awesome. I really like you. I really love all of you because you love me. That's I really feel good about it. So do you believe in us? Can we make it? I'm very passionate about trading. So Arvi says, do you believe in us? Can we make it? I'm very passionate about trading. I'm gonna make it. Yes, Arvi, I'm sure that all of you will be able to make it happen. All of you will be able to be a profitable trader. Okay, no doubt about it. Okay, feel like that you are successful. You will be. Okay, see, I'll take now 3 minutes from you to show you something. it's a part of trading. Trading is not always candlestick. Give me 3 minutes, trust me, it can change your life completely. Sometimes little thing can change your life. Say, I told you that I'm a wizard, okay? So what wizard does? Wizard creates magic, okay? It's not about me, it's about you. Just one moment, okay? So magic. Now you see, you are familiar with the word with magic is something like someone tricks somebody, or maybe trick something. It's a trick. It's not a magic. But the real magicians are those who can understand the natural law. That's why wizard creates magic, because they knows how nature works. I'll tell you something, that if you are ready to understand whatever your situation, not only in trading, any area of your life will be smooth. You will become like a superhuman. I can make you superhuman. Just give me 3 minutes. You will not get this knowledge in anywhere, because this is secret knowledge, okay? You will not even can get it by buying my subscription, okay? So let me show you. See, this is the main thing, okay? I'll show you how wizard create magic, and you can create the same magic in your life, okay? See, there is a term called what is called effortless manifestation. See, hard work, okay? Hard work is a myth. By doing hard work, you cannot do anything. By doing hard work, you can work $10 on McDonald's, maybe $5 or $20. You'll work 8 hours, okay? You'll end up getting paid $80 and spending $70 in a day, pocket $10 in the pocket. Working more 3 hours will get maybe $20 more. That is hard work. But the people who really makes huge money, how do they do this? That's called effortless manifestation. So how do you do effortless manifestation? Like without even doing work, hard work, a little effort will give you huge profit in any area, in trading, in life, in relationship. How? That's where the magics come. See, this universe, the Nikola Tesla said that if you want to understand the secret of this universe, things in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. These are secret. Every one of you has energy, and this you have to we are connected with the universe by energy and feeling. Feeling is the key. We all feel, okay? See, feeling is the key. These are secret knowledge, okay? So whatever you manifest in your life currently is what you feel, okay? And feeling comes from energy. This universe is, everything is energy. If you go to the subatomic level, if you break down everything, microscopic level, it is energy. Everywhere is energy, right? So that energy is you. Now, what is your feeling is your energy. Now, according to the Dr. David Hawkins in his book called Power versus Force, that means when you try to do something force, you need to spend a lot of energy. You get exhausted, tired, and life will be difficult. But when you apply power, you just do like this, things will happen like a magic. So how do you apply that power? By changing your vibration and energy. So what is your energy now? See, most of us live in this zone. See, shame, guilt, apathy, grief, fear. We all have fear. That's our subconscious. That is energy. So if you are in this energy, your vibration is very low. You are sending a very low quality signal to the universe. We all do like this. It's nothing to be afraid of. It's how it is. So if you do not consciously change this vibration, you will not be able to manifest a miracle in your life. Whoever you are, if you know this, you can change your life dramatically by changing your feeling. Now you might say, okay, I understand. So what is magic happens here? See, Dr. David Hawkins give these numbers, basically the vibration chart, how you are vibrant, your energy. If you see, when you live in love, when you live in joy, peace, when you live in reason, acceptance, that's where your energy is high, and you send quality signal to the universe, and the universe, your feeling will bring what you want. So you might say, okay, I understand everything in this short time. How do I change my feeling? See, if I give you a glass of dirty water, okay, if I tell you, okay, give me a clean water, then what you will do? Common sense, apply that. Pour the dirty water, throw the dirty water, take a clean water, right? Simple. Now, if you want to release this feeling, if you want to remove this feeling, you need to let go of this feeling, create an emptiness. Then this feeling will automatically come. And when this feeling will come, you don't have to do anything. Feeling will change your energy. When your energetic vibration change, you started to think differently. There are new idea will come in your mind, and your behavior, your action will change, and your life will change. That's how anyone can create any life you want. I know that it's complicated, but that's what it is. Let's begin our trading. I know that it's not trading. Many of you may not like it, but I just wanted to, do something different for you to help you in your trading, whatever niche you are in life. So let's find out USD CHF. I got some request for USD CHF. Samuel, so was there a change in discount price because I was supposed to subscribe for a month? Yeah, monthly subscription plan changes is because I changed it to 1 month subscription. The PayPal was disturbing. So if you still need any help, email me. We'll discuss it. No problem. Purity says, hey, Usdjpy, please. So let's find out some of the pair as gold. Again, gold is now ranging in this zone. So I think that, let me see on the 15 minutes. Yeah, so I wanna see gold first in the lower time frame to break down, as I told you, to create a structure, then to start to move up. Okay, so GBP JPY 4 hour, okay, bullish. So all this trying to create a bullish structure. So let me know what dollar yen. Okay, so I got a request for dollar yen, US oil. So let's find out US oil, dollar yen. This dollar yen is okay. Dollar yen actually I need to discuss, because I think that dollar yen will break down. Okay, it looks like dollar yen might break down. Okay, this is normally happens with dollar yen over and over again in the market. Let's see monthly. Okay, monthly time frame to see what's happened on the monthly. Okay, this is the monthly. Okay, dollar yen is, I think, all-time high. Look at this. You see, this is all-time high. Yeah, all-time high dollar yen. Okay, it's a very high price monthly. Let's see on the weekly. Okay, weekly also a very big move. Let's see on the daily. Okay, daily it's creating. Okay, I think could be that dollar yen may break down after 52 minutes. If this candle closes as a doji, I think that dollar yen, what it might during this after 23 minutes, there will be high impact news release. And in this news release, if I see that dollar yen created a false breakout like this one, like this candle, and broke it below, then I might sell dollar yen, because I think that, you see, there is a double top after this big move to the upside, and then creating a smaller candle. The reason I'm thinking that dollar yen might drop is because of this because of this time correlation. As I told you, time correlation. Okay, so time is an important factor with this one. As you can see that this is the end of the week, end of the month, and we might see deeper retracement. So even if dollar yen come back to this level of trend line, let's draw this trend line. Okay, this is 4 hour time frame, very long term trend. So let me draw this trend line with dollar yen, and let's find out what happened. So if we draw this trend line, even with the coming back to this trend line, could give us a nice trading opportunity. So if dollar yen creates a reverse a pattern here like that, I might sell, because I'll show you some pattern dollar yen did. Suddenly they break down with a big move. You see here, after the double doji has been created, suddenly broke down, okay, like the dollar yen does all the time. You see, after this there's a big move happen, okay. So I think not, it's a reversal trade. You see, this is a long-term bullish trend, so easily selling is not a good idea. But looks to me that because it's an end of the month, end of the week, we might see deeper retracement. We might see a breakdown. Even it could create a head and shoulder and come down and will go up. This kind of stuff may happen. So dollar yen may break down. Let's see in this live session. I will come back again. We'll see, because yen looks like for a long time it didn't become a stronger. Now against dollar, it's all-time high. Okay, all-time high means if we start to drop, it might have a big drop. Okay, so this is the situation. Let's see. I think that it's a good trade could be if it creates a because the price already, you see, there has been an overextended market and the buyers may hesitate to buy again. So let's see. We'll come back again with dollar yen. GBP JPY is creating a bullish pattern, and this is weekend. So what I will do, if after the news release, you see that there is a news release on USD at 10:30 p.m. Okay, so after the news release, we might find a nice candle to trade. So I love to trade the news candles. So I will be extending today's live stream until this 4-hour candle close. I'll be a bit longer. If you want to trade with me this news candle, then make sure you stick till around, and also don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. If you are new to the channel, let me again tell you, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. You will find enormous value in this channel, not only trading but also we share many things that nowhere you will find. Okay, so Mary said all you shared to us is very helpful in our personality development as a trader. Thank you, sir. Yes, absolutely, Mary. Most people think that okay, trading is all about trading, or every channel will talk about trading only. But I don't follow anyone. I follow my heart. I feel like I connect with people with my heart, because it's not about only trading. It's about a human. We all are human. Why we are trading? We want to feel happy, right? So by understanding everything, then it will become good for you to become a trader, isn't it? So let's see USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD was dropping and I was waiting for an entry. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it, because I thought that after this a bearish candle I will enter trade, but I realized that there is a news release. That's why I didn't enter. So during this news release, okay, USD CAD, it's an interesting pair. Let's see. First of all, let's do a full analysis and then we'll come back to lower time frame to see. So monthly, see, this is what I told you, that USD CAD likely to go up at the top, and that is what happened. Now after this kind of so many weeks on the monthly, I don't think that USD CAD, if this month closes somewhere here, we might see a drop again. Okay, so let's see what happened. It depends on really how the monthly candle is closing here. Now you see, this is the weekly, and there is a gap opening on the weekly with USD CAD. You see, there is a gap opening. So if today, if this weekly candle is not closed as a you see, if it close above this gap, this weekly candle, okay, we might see another push to the upside next week, and then we might see drop. Okay, so let me draw this level of support here on this gap opening. It's a big gap opening on USD CAD, and I posted quite a few analysis after this gap opening. You have seen that. So you see the price just on this gap now, this daily level. Let's see on the 4-hour. So there is already a bullish engulfer here. You see, there is a bullish engulfer. So what I will do, if in case, let's say in case USD CAD came to this level of support, okay, If in case USD CAD came to this level of support here, let me draw this one here, this level of support, okay, like that. All right, if it creates a bullish engulfer, maybe today or tomorrow here, or maybe in the new trading week, all right, a bullish engulfer here, then I will be buy USD CAD. Maybe what it might do in the new trading week, if it creates a bullish engulfer, it will go up again to this level, and from here it might drop. So far need to see how it reacts with this level of support USD CAD. Okay, so far we need to wait for the news release, then we will get a lot of answer that we are looking for answer. Okay, now USD CNHs, I don't know all of you guys or girls trade USD CNH, I don't know, but I see a good trade on USD CNHs. Okay, let me tell you, if you are trading USD, sometime I trade, I sincerely believe that you guys and girls also trade USD CNHs. Let me show you, this is the monthly chart. Okay, monthly, you see USD CNHs broke a huge monthly resistance. Okay, a huge monthly resistance USD CNHs broke, and now see it has basically tested this resistance here. You see there is a resistance here. This is the support, resistance, and now we saw a bigger move, tested this support as a resistance, and we see a drop. Now what I think that USD CNHs may do, let me see on the weekly, also there was a big move, and then the price now having a retracement daily. So it's look like that USD CNHs will break down on the lower time frame. Okay, so let's see what happened. The reason is, okay, it could be even bullish. What I want, see if this current 4-hour candle creates a pattern like this. Let me show you. If it creates a pattern like this, okay, a long wick at the bottom, chances that the USD CNHs will drop. Okay, but if this one goes up, you know, remain within this zone as a green candle, even it could create another bullish pattern. Okay, so it depends. But if I see a doji like this, a doji here, then I might consider selling, because it's a very overextended market, and we might see a reversal pattern here on USD CNHs. So this is quickly on USD CNHs. So let's see. Kakulan says hello. John says no, trade your chart, not your heart. Thank you, no problems. James, very good question, very good compliment. Samuel says and your explanation was helpful, because I was very angry and trading even on demo because I had a lot of loss, but recently have been trying to get rid of those. Okay, Samuel says, yeah, don't get angry. Using the thing is that, Samuel, everyone has a loss in their trading, and it's a game is like that, you know, until you understand how trading works. So that's why it's so difficult for people to be successful in trading, because people you can't be patient. Okay, you have to be patient and try. Okay, adopt the proper trading psychology, and you will be able to do that. Who says a very enlightening message. I'm for the clean water, please. Thank you, Q. Of course, Q. We all have that, and I'm sure that every one of you will be a good trader and understand this. Ravi said, Wizard, what do you think about 4-hour candle on Euro CHF? So let's see Euro CHF. Ravi has a question about Euro CHF. Okay, so looks like that Euro CHF had a rejection from the top. Very nice candle. After 40 minutes it's closing. Let me see a full. Okay, so Euro CHF over the long term, it's a bearish market. So let's see what's happening. Monthly. Okay, monthly it's a strongly bearish market. The only thing here now in Euro CHF, see, if this monthly candle closes here, okay, we might see another push up around 50%, maybe around to this zone. Let me draw this. maybe to the zone on the monthly, and then we might see a drop, because after the monthly close the price will go for retracement to the upside, then will come down. So let's see on the weekly what's happening on Euro CHF. Weekly, we saw that the price this current week, after the as soon as the candle closed, we saw a downward move, but it is an insider bar, Rabi. This is the only thing. That insider bar means what do you like this weekly candle, this current weekly candle is remaining in between the previous candle's high and low, right? So this one is remaining in between. That means that this current 4-hour candle, this weekly candle in between, so the next one could go up, create a consolidation pattern. Let me see on the daily. I'll tell you what might happen. So this is daily. Okay, let me see the pattern. Euro CHF, right? Okay, so if this is the daily chart, there are many things will depend on how this daily candle is closing. It might create a bullish pattern or bearish pattern. Let me see on the 4-hour. Okay, Rabi, I will neither be buy nor be sell on Euro CHF currently, because you see this is this pattern could be a bullish or could be a bearish. Okay, so for now Euro CHF, I'm not sure, because you see there is a support and resistance, long-term bearish, but we might see a push to the upside even. Okay, push to the upside around here, and then could see drop, or we might see just drop. Okay, so I'll leave as it is, Euro CHF. Okay, instead we are running good profit on Euro AUD. You see our profit target at 1.4626, our entry at here, as I told you, after this pin bar. You need to patiently wait for this kind of price action pattern. Okay, I'm sure that our VIP members are, all of them are running this trade, because I send it to our VIP channel and I told them not to close it. Hopefully everyone is running, and if you want to join our team, the link in the description, you can join. You are always welcome. So RV says, I can tell you have a very high self-awareness, sir. That's a great quality who should be proud of. Thank you, RV. Thank you for your compliment. Yes, self-awareness is very, very important. When you have self-awareness, you win yourself. When you win yourself, you can be successful in anything in your life, because you are the most powerful. Okay, so let's find out. Yeah, I understand RV. Fan user, please a small brief on gold. Okay, we'll go back to gold again. Rabi Good said, I'm thinking the same, also in doubt. Thank you, Rabi Good. Yeah, so what I do normally, K said Katon AUD CAD will do it. Pound says we are running the trade, sir. Great, Pound, great. We are almost hitting profit target. You know, I would say that this after this kind of a structure, you know, we have a stop loss in a very safe place. Even if we hold the trade, even let's say to this level, it's possible for us to get the full profit. But I set the profit target here because we might see a bounce again and again coming up and down, because trade move like that. So my VIP members think that, okay, we are not securing the profit yet. So that's why I just wanted to give them some profit, but at least I have 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let's say AUD CAD. I have a request for AUD CAD. First of all, monthly. Okay, monthly. Okay, so what happened with AUD CHF? You see that there is a bearish engulfer is being formed. It's almost closed, this monthly candle. Okay, it's almost closed. So after this bearish engulfer, let's see, this is the monthly. Let's assume that it's closing as a bearish engulfer. Go to the weekly. So weekly, what happened, that the price opened with a gap here. Okay, opened with a gap, and then what we saw that the price, this is the weekly, broke down. Let's see on the daily what happened. Okay, daily, the price created a double doji and then trying to create. Okay, as I told you, see, there is a little bit of confusion now, is because this is the weekly and monthly close. Okay, so if I tell you something that may be invalid next week, that's why now what I am doing is I am only thinking for the things that will be only today's 2 session. So what I will do today, if I open any trade in this next half an hour in the first 4-hour candle, I will open in such a way that it will hit my profit target by the end of the week, before closing the weekend, and then I'll forget everything. I'll wait next week, new month, new week. I'll see first session, second session, then I will make my mind what I will do. Okay, so today's analysis may not reflect next week. So that's why you see AUD CAD, it could be a reversal pattern here. Okay, it could be a continuation pattern. Okay, so that's why let's see on the 4-hour. Yeah, so you see the price was moving, along this channel. This is the channel here. The price is still inside the channel. Okay, so and at the same time it created an inverted head and shoulder. So it could explode like that, or it could remain within the channel. So that's why I will not be trading unless if I get a signal that is that will give me quick money in this short-term session. Okay, so let's find out, Martin, Alex, what is opening with the gap? So yeah, that's a good question. Gold, what is Alexandra? Euro CAD. So let's see gold. Okay, we saw that gold down, coming down. I know that it will come down because it already overextended. You see gold had a 2 gap opening on the 4-hour time frame. So let's see daily. Okay, I think that if gold, when I will be very passionately trade gold, so it looks like it might create a head and shoulder like this on the daily. You see something like that. Okay, let me show you what it might do. Style, visibility. Okay, all right, so something like that. All right, so gold, you see, so if this one does like this, it's an inverted head and shoulder, right? It's an inverted head and shoulder, then I will be buying gold. Okay, so as per today's analysis, this should be happening if it wants to drop. So with that being said, let's on the 4-hour time frame, what might happen. So I want gold to come down, test this previous resistance here, okay, as a support here, create this, as I told you, the inverted head and shoulder on the lower time frame along the zone, and then we'll consider buying gold. But let's see, if it immediately falls, I will be buying. Okay, I'll keep buying. I will buy and we'll put a stop loss below this low. We'll target, because if it in case reverse, we'll have a good trade on it. In fact, this is overall a bullish market. Okay, so when you see a bullish market, the price you see overextended to the downside, high probability that gold will rise. Okay, gold will rise, high probability. Now if we let's say if we draw a trend line where we can buy gold, I would say let me draw this level of support and resistance where we can consider buying gold. So this could be a zone where we can consider buying gold. Okay, as long as not blindly, not like, okay, price came here, I buy. It's a zone to watch, but I want to see something like this. Let me show you what I want to see. Something like this. You see, look at this candle here, a doji with a, look at this one here. You see, not a strong bearish candle, like a bearish candle with a long wick at the top, bottom at least. Okay, that means that if you see long wick at the bottom testing this gap, that means that's the people bought, big boys bought, and that's a good place to buy then. Okay, like that. So I want gold come here, something like this, create dojis, couple of dojis, then we will consider buying gold with a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, that's the plan for gold. So Zabir said US 30. So let's find out US 30. What's happening with US 30 or Dow Jones? Okay, Dow Jones looks like, let me see that daily. Okay, daily we saw that the price came to this very important level of support, and then the price trying to create a pattern. Let's see weekly. Okay, weekly. Let me see monthly. Okay, so when I see monthly, it's a sideways market. Weekly, okay, let's find out. Weekly is still not close. Let's see daily. Okay, so on the daily as well, it's so far bullish market. Okay, so far bullish market on the lower time frame, but in the new month, how the direction will move, we don't know. So that's why we need to see the first week of the trading week to see. So there will be news release now. This is the Forex factory calendar. Okay, we see that USD news release will happen now. Let's see after the news release how we might find a good trading opportunity. Make sure you stick till the end, and also make sure you smash the like button, and also make sure you hit the red subscribe button. Okay, if you wanna learn and earn with us, then go to the description area. You can join our VIP channel if you want, where you learn my strategy, and also you can receive my trade signal if you want to join. So please, gold, yeah, we discussing gold. Shady says, can we do video on how to know when the big boys are buying or selling based on candlestick movement? Yep, Shady, good point. That's what I was thinking. I'll create a separate video on how to understand how the banks are moving in the market. This is a really good point. We'll do that. Okay, good point. We'll do that. So do you trade the news side? Eminent, I directly don't trade the news, but after news and before news, based on the price action, I try to. So that's what I'm doing. I was developing a strategy for a very long period of time. That strategy, it's a premium strategy. That strategy will correlate news release with the price action. Okay, huge profitable strategy. I'm almost developing for 6 months now. I'm working on it. I took some trade, good trade. I didn't release it yet. I'll release it in my website. So still I'm not saying much about it because I want to fully develop, and then I'll release it, and then I'll discuss more about it. So it's a very good strategy. So Zabir said BTC USD, we'll do that. Shafali sir, not gold, silver. Okay, so I didn't understand, Shafali, what you said. Kakulan says yes. Shafali, okay, silver. So let's see silver and gold. Basically, I normally didn't analyze silver much. It's because gold and silver, they are brother and sister, big brother and small brother. Normally, see the way gold behave, silver almost similar, sometimes a little bit of different, because silver normally follow gold. Okay, so silver creating a bearish engulfer. Let's see what happened. Sometimes from silver you will know what gold might do, because silver first break down and then sometimes gold break down. So this is silver and gold is creating similar kind of pattern. If you see the daily time frame, okay, so it's still bearish. Let's see what happened. But as I told you, if let's say today this candle, daily candle closed like this, okay, in the new trading week open market with a daily candle like that, then I will be buying silver, no question about it. Stop loss below this low, take profit 1 2 3 like that. Okay, so for now let's see what happened. Gold now coming for a retracement, good point. See gold now breaking down. That's a good point, because we need gold to come down to create another structure for buying. Okay, so let's see 15 minutes what's happening, because there is a news release, so we might see a drop, and that is where is a good time for opening a position, isn't it? When there is a news release, you'll see Usdjpy as well creating an, you see it has created a nice doji. Okay, after 25 minutes Usdjpy candle is closing, and let's see what is giving our Euro AUD heading to our profit target. We want it to close it today, so make sure Euro AUD hit our profit target today. Let's see AUD USD. I'm just reviewing all the pairs quickly because we might find a good trading opportunity, because there will be a news release. The news release already done, and we might find a nice trading opportunity to see. That's why I'm just roaming all the pairs to see if we find anything. So institutional trading method, please. Yeah, we'll do that. I'll create a separate video on how banks and hedge funds, how they trade. Hello, could you analyze NZD CHF Shefali? Yeah, we'll do that. Euro CAD, please, Alexandra. So euro, all the euro pairs behaving in the same way, especially Euro AUD and Euro CAD in a very strong move. See, Euro CAD, I was shouting for maybe a couple of days, starting from here. You remember, after this pin bar created a structure, dropped, and again retracement drop. Now you see the previous 4 hours the price went above, went up, again it's creating a bearish engulfer. Okay, so it should continue to drop. All right, so now today is the last trading day, right? Let me tell you something. If Euro CAD closes something like that, okay, high probability that there will be 1 or 2 candle down. Okay, so it's a good time to get some profit out of market on Euro CAD and Euro AUD. Euro AUD, we are already heading to our profit target. Our BIP members are running, and I'm also running. So Euro AUD the same. It's look like it will close as a bearish engulfer, Euro AUD, and we saw that the market on this level of support, so should still be falling down today. Okay, later today. Let's see week daily how it has done. Okay, we saw that we even might see that today Euro AUD coming back to this level of support. It could be a big move, but I think that it could happen. If it doesn't happen, then it might go up for a retracement and may open with a gap on the next week. So Euro AUD, Euro CAD bearish. Okay, presuming never buy. Don't do that mistake on buying in a falling market. Hello, could you analyze NZD CHF? So let's say I have quite a few requests on NZD CHF. Let's find out NZD CHF. Okay, so NZD CHF, let's say we closed this trade with some profit today, as you have seen that yesterday we have discussed. So let me see the monthly. So NZD CHF monthly is bearish. This candle is closing today. So what I think NZD CHF can do today, let me see the weekly and then I'll tell you. Okay, weekly NZD CHF almost where this opening and closing place. Let's see on the daily. Okay, daily NZD CHF broke above. I think that what I will do, NZD CHF now I will not trade it, because what it might do, to be honest, in the new trading week, it might go up again, maybe testing this 20 period moving average. You see that NZD CHF created, this is the daily time frame, created this channel. Okay, so what it might do, it might go up, test this 20 period moving average on the daily, even on the next day, and then it might drop. Okay, so NZD CHF, let's say on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so currently it has created, though there is a double top, but it has created a pattern. You see, it looks like, and it has created an inverted head and shoulder. So I'll not be interested on NZD CHF now, because the price action is not for me suitable to trade. Okay, so NZD USD the same thing. Okay, we might see after this candle close, we might see a push to the upside or even push to the downside, because long term bearish, but the price is creating a bullish on NZD USD. So all NZD pairs behaving in the same way. So gold came down now to give us some opportunity. So let's see, it is still 1.5 hours to go for this gold candle to close, but I think what it might do, gold finally it might come here to, you see already in the gap area, so it might come to this zone, the one that I have given around 1905, and then from here we might see that gold has created another candle up and then count down. So we might see little consolidation, and next week if it creates a a bullish price action, then I will be buying gold. So far it is trying to create a reversal pattern, so let's find out what might happen. Gold, so it has already created an inverted head and shoulder, and from here we might see an uprise. Let's see what happened. Okay, so Bipan said natural gas. Yep, we'll look at it. Presmac, thank you, no problem. Presmac, hello, could you analyze NZDC? Yeah, we have discussed NZDCHF. Write down in the chat section what you think, what's your thought, anything you wanna learn or anything you wanna know. So USD CAD, okay, USD CAD now pushing high as I discussed. Let me see what happening. Okay, so after 19 minutes, if USD CAD closes like that as a doji, okay, it could be a nice sell signal for the short term, not for the long term, because if it closes, you see it's pushing up now. So what it might do, even in this next 20 minutes, it might go even here. If it goes here, close here, good point to sell. Okay, USD CAD. Let's see what happened. So this is the situation. Gold, okay, gold is now breaking down. Okay, it's coming down now. That's what we need for the gold to come down to give us some. It broke this 15 minutes trend line, now coming down. So let's see on the hourly. Good breakdown. It's coming to this level. I think that it will come down again, because until it tests this reversal pattern properly, there is a head and shoulder. Without testing this level, it may not go up. So around 1890, it might even come to 1890 to test this, and then it might create a bullish pattern, gold. Okay, so let's find out. Khalid says, what do you mean by gap and how it happens? Okay, Khalid, good question. So let me go to the gold 4-hour time frame. This is the gold 4-hour HCC. So when you see, I thought that I will make a separate video on YouTube to understand this kind of things. So gold does this always. Okay, when you see a reversal pattern on gold, especially on the 4-hour or even 15 minutes on MetaTrader 4, if you see that gold suddenly has closed with a gap from this reversal pattern, chances that gold will go a big move. Okay, so this is the Khalid, this is the gap that we have seen. You see there is a gap opening. You see this is the 4-hour. Suddenly the price opened with a gap. Okay, there's a sign that gold will move up. So when you see that on the 4-hour or even 15 minutes time frame, gold has created a reversal pattern like a head and shoulder or an inverted head and shoulder or a double bottom, and suddenly opened with a gap, let's say double bottom, and then one candle, green candle gone up, and then suddenly next one open with a gap, that is the chance that gold will go up. So this is the secret of gap opening with gold. And you see that as soon as the price came to this gap, you see exactly from this gap people are buying now. See, suddenly there is a bounce. So that's what it is. I think that gold may respect this level 1906. Okay, may respect this level. Let's see what happens. Okay, GBP ZAR, sir. So let's see USD ZAR the same way. GBP ZAR and USD ZAR behave in the same way. So let's see USD ZAR. Okay, monthly looks like it's breaking down. Okay, monthly, this is the monthly close. Okay, and let's draw a level of support here. Okay, with this red candle. There's a level of support. Let me see the weekly. Okay, weekly we saw that there was aggressive move. Now the price is pushing down. Let's see daily. Okay, so this, as soon as the daily candle, there is no wick at the top. So I think that USD will come for a deeper retracement. There has been a big move to the upside. So let's see on the 4 hour. Okay, so we might see that USD coming for a deep retracement. Okay, so after this, if let's say 15 minutes, after 15 minutes this candle will close, right? The next one may come to this level, around this level. Let me draw this possible that way. Okay, because it's an exotic pair, I'll keep a big stop loss, at least let's say to this level, and I'll target up to here. Okay, so this is not an investment advice, this is for educational purpose. So if you find value in it, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. If you're new to the channel today, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Yep, Shady, I'll create a video all of this, how to enter this, it's called a sniper entry. Yeah, sniper entry is good one, good. I do a lot of sniper entry. I like to do that because you will see that most trader go in one direction, you have to go to the other direction. You see, most of us think that this all candlestick. These are not candlestick, these are traders lining up. Okay, so when you understand this, market will be much more easier for you. Gbpusd says, sir, can you make a detailed video on doji candle entry, because I got that doji candle entry is better than engulfing on scalping. It's very efficient. Yeah, that's true. Doji candle, sometimes you have a narrow stop loss. It's a very good. I have already a lot of video on Gbpusd in my channel about doji candlestick pattern, how you can trade it. You can watch all of them, but I'll keep making videos for all of you so that you can smash the market properly. So we all almost it's a long session today, so I believe that you guys and girls are enjoying this session. So let me know what else you want me to cover. Let me see if I can find any trade today for this move. AUD USD, nothing. Usdjpy, also nothing. AUD CAD, nothing. CAD CHF, okay, CAD CHF has a trade, but this trade CAD CHF is a good trade, but what it might do, because there is a weekend and CAD CHF is a exotic pair. So what I will do basically in the new trading week, I might enter CAD CHF trade, buy trade from here. Okay, let me give you what I will do next week is I'll place a pending order along this zone, and I'll keep my stop loss below this low, and I'll take at least, when you see a market like this open field, you might see an explosion. So I will target at least 125 like this. So CAD CHF likely to go a lot. You see, this is a strong bullish candle. The low is crossed previously, the high also now going up. We have already closed our trade, as you know, that with profit. But if we keep holding, see, that's what I always say to you, if we keep holding trade, it will give you money. Okay, our Euro AUD trade looks like heading to the target. Okay, so let me explain who came new on Euro AUD. This kind of trade, you see, after this green candle, if you open Euro AUD trade, what will happen? Look at this kind of things you need to see. When you see market create in a downtrend, created a structure, and the price went up exactly along the structure, sell from here. Okay, that is the real thing that you need to understand. I'm telling again, see, when you see Euro AUD, let me tell you, we are almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio on this trade. If you want to make money with us like this trade signal, go to the description area. There is a link to join VIP program where you learn my strategy, you'll get the trade signal like this. So let me tell you what you will do when you see a falling market. Okay, a falling market like this structure, it has created a structure. Suddenly the price came down and again went above. The price closed just in this resistance like that, sell from here with a small stop loss, big profit target like this one here. See, Euro AUD. If you did say, if you saw this after this green candle, let's say you saw this market, how much money you can make, guys and girls? Okay, let's say you saw this market, all right, you saw this green candle, then let's say what will trigger you to take this trade? That's what you need to understand, that what you need to think to take this trade. You need to think something like this. See, this is a trend down, okay, there is a pin bar here, all right, and then look at the bigger picture. Weekly is dropping, monthly is a strong dropping, daily is dropping, 4 hour just retrace to the structural level, sell. Okay, stop loss above this high, maybe how many people stop loss you can take? Let's say here, let's say 27 people stop loss, and you can profit target how many people from here? At least 210 people. Smash the like button. How much risk to reward? Let me calculate. So if you have a 27 pip stop loss, 210 pip target, so 110 divided by 27, 7.78 times profit. That's how you have to make profit from this market, guys and girls. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So this is how you have to develop your trading attitude, trading psychology, so that you can beat the market. Okay, dollar Swiss franc. Okay, let me see dollar Swiss. I had a request on dollar Swiss, so let's find out what the request. Okay, dollar Swiss, this is the monthly chart, right? Okay, so what it might do, I think that dollar Swiss franc is, it will close something like that, and next month it might drop. So let's see weekly, big move to the upside. Daily, okay, so daily we saw that the price is here. Let's see now 4 hour. Okay, so on the 4 hour we saw that there is a bullish engulfer has been created. Now look, this is the overall bullish market, right? It's the overall bullish market. So I'm not gonna sell, and neither I'm not gonna buy, because it's at the top and it's a bullish market. So leave it as it is. Okay, leave it as it is. USD CAD, you see, after moving to the upside again dropping. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, let's see, after 8 minutes it's closing. I think that it will drop. Okay, dollar yen may start to drop, from here. Okay, so if I trade dollar yen, you see, you are waiting with me for a long time. So let's see, let's find out a trade, how we can trade this one. After 8 minutes dollar yen will close, right? So what we possible trading opportunity is pending order here. Okay, stop loss, let's say above this doji, and targeting 1 2 2. Okay, smash the like button. This is not an investment advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a trader. This is just for educational purpose. Pending order can be at 130.344. Stop loss could be as 130.813. Take profit can be 129.401. The trade can be hold until the weekend, because there is a good gap in the stop loss, and I think that should be winning trade unless we are unlucky. So this is the situation with dollar yen, and I'm gonna end this live session. I'm really thank you for all of you joining this live trading session, and really appreciate your support to this channel. I'll look forward to see you on next weekend. This weekend I will be releasing some very good video, and also this weekend I'll be releasing my weekly forex forecast. Make sure you stick till around all the video I release, and I'll see you soon next week in this platform. Thank you, and thank you for joining. See you soon.